If you want to remove the grid in Lucidchart, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether the grid is making your diagram feel cluttered, or you simply want a cleaner workspace, turning it off is very easy once you know where to look. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open the document you want to edit. Make sure you are inside the correct diagram before changing any settings, especially if you work on multiple files. Once your document is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the 3 horizontal lines menu. From there, choose File, then select Settings, and then click Document Settings. If you prefer, there is also a faster way. You can right-click on an empty area of the canvas and choose Document Settings from a menu that appears. After you open Document Settings, a panel or sidebar should appear on the right side of your screen. This is where Lucidchart stores document-level options, including layout and snapping controls. Now look for the Grid and Snapping section. This is the setting area that controls whether the grid is visible in your workspace. Inside that section, find the Show Grid option. To remove the grid, simply toggle Show Grid to the off position. Depending on your version of Lucidchart, you may see a switch or a checkbox, so either turn the switch off or uncheck the box. As soon as you do that, the grid lines will disappear instantly from your canvas. You don't need to refresh the page or save a separate setting. The change should happen right away. If you still see faint alignment guides, that may be snapping rather than the actual grid, so make sure you are only turning off the grid display and not confusing it with other workspace tools. If you ever want the grid back, just return to the same Document Settings area and turn Show Grid back on. That makes it easy to switch between a clean blank workspace and a structured grid layout whenever you need it. This is especially useful when you're creating polished presentations, flowcharts, or visual diagrams where a grid might distract from the final look. On the other hand, if you need precise alignment while designing, you can always turn the grid back on later. That flexibility is one of the reasons Lucidchart is so helpful for both beginners and advanced users. So to quickly recap, open your Lucidchart document, go to Document Settings, find Grid and Snapping, and turn off Show Grid. That's all it takes to remove the grid in Lucidchart. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the rest of our software tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.